Good luck, man. Top one it is. Alright, for SoCal Darren doing 2014 Leaf autographed football jersey. Same case you started off. Darren, good luck to you. Thank you again, sir. Good luck, Darren. Hey, not bad, man. Matt Stafford. Don't see this one too often. Matthew Stafford, Detroit. Wouldn't that suck if it was like a different name on there? Some other random Stafford. Matt Stafford, man. Lions. Not bad. Leaf Authentics. And what's this one? Does he have his own sticker? Wow, Stafford has his own. He's got his own hologram even. Would not have expected that. Very nice, Darren. Not bad, man. Appreciate it. Stafford jersey. Beats those first two. Thanks again. Rip the last one. Going for broke, man. Do the last one too. Alright, Darren, good luck, man. Finish it off. SoCal Darren doing another box. 2014 Leaf autograph football jersey. Last one. Darren started the case. I'm gonna end it. Good luck again. Good luck, Darren. Thank you again. I seen one on YouTube, Homarv. I did see one on YouTube. Just a sec here. Alright, last one out of the case is Smith. Looks like Carolina Steve. Yep. Carolina Steve Smith. Hey, not bad, man. That's pretty cool. Steve Smith was a beast. Steve Smith. Hey, he's got his own authentic thing too. Wow. Steve Smith. Carolina Panthers, now with the Ravens. Much better than your first two, Darren. Congrats, man. You got Steve Smith and Matt Stafford. Both blue. I like them both. Good players on that one. Darren, thanks again, man. I appreciate it. Appreciate it, man. I'm just recording for you right quick like here.